Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of joining server on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.